Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic recording vibrations. Recording vibrations. What is vibration? The rapid to and fro movement of a particle is called vibration. Now what is oscillatory motion? The to and fro movement of the ball or any body about its fixed position is called oscillatory motion. So to recording the vibration of oscillation, simple pendulum is the best example. Simple pendulum is the best example. So first we take one magnetic ball. This is the magnetic ball and this is the hook. The one end of the light thread is connected with, that is tied with the hook of the magnetic ball, and the other end is fixed with the rigid support. This point is known as point of suspension. And this magnetic ball is free to move left and towards the right direction. When the magnetic ball is not in motion, it is at constant. So there are two forces acting on the magnetic ball. One is weight of the body in downward direction, and the other is tension in the upward direction with adjective balance. So the magnetic ball is in mean position, that is not in motion. So it is also called equilibrium position or mean position. This position is also known as mean position. When we apply the force or push the magnetic ball toward the right side, this magnetic ball starts to move to and fro about its mean position. So this position is mean position, that is the O position, and there are two positions. Another position is on left side, that is extreme position. And towards the right side is another. Suppose this is A and this is B position. A position is also known as extreme position, and B position is also known as extreme position. Now when a one oscillation is said to be completed, as the ball starts from A and moves towards the B position and again comes back to the A, it is said to be one oscillation. Again when it starts from B to A and again move back towards the B position, then it is said to be one oscillation. Otherwise, suppose the ball starts from A to B, B to A and again come back to the O, it is also said to be one oscillation is completed. Now what is amplitude? There are certain definition terms regarding this simple pendulum, that is, what is amplitude of vibration? The maximum displacement of the ball from its mean position, maximum displacement of the ball from O to B or O to A is called amplitude. So in this figure, OA is equal to OB is equal to amplitude. Now, how do you define the term time period? Time period the total time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. The total time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period. Now, what is the formula of time period? Time period is equal to 1 by frequency, and SI unit of frequency is SI unit of frequency, that is time period. Time period is second. Now next topic or heading is frequency. What is frequency? The number of oscillation completed by the pendulum in 1 second is called frequency. What is the formula of frequency? Frequency is equal to 1 by time period. That is, frequency is the reciprocal of its time period. Now, what is the SI unit of frequency? SI unit of frequency is hertz in symbol we can write as 0. So here we discuss the topic what is amplitude, time period and frequency. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement or distance covered by the bob from its mean position is called amplitude. Second is time period. The total time taken to complete one oscillation is called time period. SI unit of time period is second. Third is frequency. The number of oscillation completed by the bob in 1 second or per second is called frequency, and the SI unit of frequency is hertz.